We consider that absence of proper international reaction to Russian military aggression or a neutral stance will only serve further escalation of the conflict. We hope that our Pakistani partners will take proactive stance in condemning the war and make decisive steps, urging Russia to de-escalate tension and stop its aggression. I would like also to note here that Ukraine remains an important trade partner of Pakistan. Last year, Ukraine has supplied to Pakistan over 1.3 million tons of wheat grain, thus contributed into Pakistan's food security. We urge the international community to continue express solidarity with Ukraine and contribute in stopping war by practical measures. We hope that one day Pakistan will also do some steps in that direction.